Hi guys, I'm really sorry that I'm not in class with you today, so I wanted to show you what you need to do and where you can go to get all the resources that you need. So once you log into PowerSchool Unified Classroom, click on our Space Debate page, and you are going to click on the Space Hyperdoc. Once you click on the Hyperdoc, you want to go to slide number 5. It looks like this, and hit present. And then you have a lot of options for the different resources that you can access. There's a lot of articles, there's videos, there are some infographics, there's some podcasts, so whatever it is that you want to look at, feel free to do so, but keep in mind the requirements for your project. So if you look at the research organizer, you can do this digitally or on paper. It's a blue paper. If you look at the back of it, you're going to see your requirements. So you obviously are working on this in science and ELA, so you want to check out this section over here, the science and ELA section. You'll need to look at least 3 video clips, at least 2 articles from a credible news source or website. You'll need to read at least 2 Newsela articles and complete the quizzes, and then collect evidence from at least 2 podcasts or infographics. All of those resources are there for you on the Hyperdoc, so hopefully you will accomplish a lot of research today. Just when you're looking at the chart, I wanted to show you there's a section for pros. The pros are the reasons why we should explore space. You're going to circle the type of source you used, you're going to write your reason, and then of course you're going to write your evidence down. You should have 3 reasons why we should continue to explore space, and also, well actually today, just focus on the 3 reasons why you think we should explore space. Tomorrow we'll look at the cons, which are the risks. Enjoy!